Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate bars. Start with high-quality cocoa beans, as their excellence directly impacts your final chocolate. We'll roast these beans at a precise temperature, typically between 120 and 130 degrees Celsius, for about 20 to 30 minutes. This crucial step isn't just about cooking, it's where the magic happens, transforming raw beans into the aromatic foundation of delicious chocolate. This heat develops those deep, complex flavors. After roasting, it's time to winnow, which means cracking the beans and separating the valuable cocoa nibs from their papery husks. This ensures a pure chocolate experience. Next, we'll take those nibs and grind them down. Using a specialized melanger or stone grinder, we'll process them for many hours, sometimes up to 24 or even 48 hours, until they transform into a smooth, flowing cocoa liquor. This intense grinding refines the texture. Now comes conching, a vital step where the cocoa liquor is continuously mixed and aerated, often for 12 to 72 hours. This process further refines the texture, removes unwanted volatile acids, and develops the chocolate's full flavor profile. We'll also incorporate sugar, extra cocoa butter for richness, and any other desired ingredients. Finally, we temper the chocolate, carefully controlling its temperature to ensure a beautiful shine and a satisfying snap. With our perfectly tempered chocolate ready, we'll carefully pour it into clean, dry molds. It's important to gently tap or vibrate the molds to release any tiny air bubbles, ensuring a smooth, flawless surface on your finished bars. Then, we allow the chocolate to cool slowly and evenly, ideally in a controlled environment, for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Once fully set, your homemade chocolate bars are ready to be unwrapped and enjoyed, or beautifully packaged.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.